We gotta leave the house at 7:40 something. We gotta leave the house at 7:30, so we gotta get to it because my school is like half an hour away from me. So, alrighty, let's get up. Alright, y'all, so now we are going into school. It's currently raining. Forecast is set until like, I don't know when. But anyways, I will see y'all in school. Alright, chat, we got Phil here, also known as Bay650. Subscribe to Aaron Sweeney. And me. Yeah. Bay650. Alrighty, we are now on our way to first period. Calvin is currently in North Carolina. So I have to take this class by myself, but anyways, see ya. Oh! Alright, vlog, second period is done. How we feeling?
Hey,
I hate you.
No, stop filming me. Don't put this in, Aaron.
It's too late.
Aaron, don't put it in, please. It's like, hi vlog. Do it. Hi vlog, subscribe to Aaron. How'd you get it? Yeah, and I'm going to
Wait, is Calvin here yet?
Oh, what? I'm going to
This is about to be the freaking sickest transition of all time.
I'll give you a million.
Okay, officially finished with this period. On our way to lunch.
Yo.
Say subscribe to Aaron.
Don't subscribe to Aaron. Subscribe to Aaron, definitely.
Yeah.
The only reason I
Got some Domino's pizza, you know?
yeah, Domino's.
I'm fat.
Opportunities are. Chat. I got Elliot sitting on my lap in
What's up?
sixth period.
You don't want to see a segment?
Okay. Oh my god. Well, I got that on video. No. All right.
Wait, you
anyways,
didn't finish 9?
we just finished the day. Let's see. End end of the test. What do you think you got on the test, James?
Like 87%.
Yeah. What do you think you got on the
I
test?
probably got like a 70%, 72%.
Anyways, we are going to head back home, and then the football game.
She said we'd use calculators and we did it.
Want to say that one more time?
Going to the football game tonight. Subscribe.
So I just changed into some pajamas. Oh my god, bro. I don't understand why I can think of that. Anyways, so pretty much here, I'ma just be doing, might go outside and hit a little bit. And then the football game, I believe, is at 6, and it's 3:26 right now. So, yeah. Oh, gotta make you guys some videos. So, by the time you're seeing this, why not head over and watch those videos real quick, too. Anyways, I'm gonna go make my videos. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. See ya. Okay, so, oh my god. Okay, so we just made 2 new videos, so make sure y'all check those out. Yeah, so from here until the time of the football game, I'm probably just gonna chill and watch some YouTube shorts, but we are officially done for the day. So, yeah, until then, once that comes, I'll give y'all a fit check for the football game. Tonight is pink out because it is homecoming game. So yeah, I will see y'all then. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is the best snack ever. The tortilla chips and the salsa. Even got Augie coming over here. Jeez, dog. You would do anything for some food right now, huh, buddy? Oh, come here. Come here. By the way, this is not a paid promotion. I just love this snack so freaking much. Alright. So, time to get ready for the football game. So, I'm going to be hanging out with my friend Mac and then going to the football game. So, I'm about to do like a super cool outfit transition. So, alright, I still gotta do my hair. Other than that, might put on some face paint, but that's basically it. So, theme is obviously pink out. I think you guys probably could figure that out. Anyways, see y'all downtown. My poor bracelet just fell off while recording. Well, I just got informed that it's not pink out, it's green and gold. So, let's do another outfit change. So much. Alright, so, we just finished eating at Taco Tree, so, let me get a cut. Sorry, I'm uncomfortable filming in front of people, other than that. Yeah, so, we are about to head to the football game. We're just gonna kind of chill and walk around downtown. It's currently starting to get like super cold.
Yeah, but it's like
So, yeah. Anyways, I guess I'll see y'all at the football game, or no, I don't know. Alright, chat. We're currently in Tango. Ice cream machine is loud as fudge. But yeah. What? Nothing. I just wanted to hear you rap. Shut up. Anyways, yeah, downtown is somebody. So, yeah, like 6:43. So, yeah, no, like 17 minutes until the point. So, 26 actually. Why? Yeah. Bro, get out. Sounds good. This is for the vlog. Yeah, you're getting me. I remember. Yeah, say hi to the vlog. Alan said hi, and he also said subscribe. Alright. Game is officially over. There wasn't a big show out, but yeah. So now we are heading back to the car, and yeah. So I'll see you there. Chat, I'm literally getting chased down by the band right now, bro. Oh crap. You can hear it in the background. It's getting closer. Oh, there they go. Just stop my toe. I just completely missed the stoplight, so now I gotta wait for the next round. So I'm about to be here for like another 20 minutes, and it's already like 11 o'clock. I'm tired as fudge, bro. I have a baseball tournament. Ah! Alright, that's about it. We're gonna wrap up the vlog. It's 10:30 at night. The date that I'm filming this is Friday, so I'd imagine it'll probably come out like Sunday maybe. Anyways, road to 1K subscribers, and I'd love if we could get there. So that about wraps it up. Anyways, peace.